This is how Islam removed racism since 1400 years ago. Despite the progress we've made, racism remains a significant issue in our world today. It continues to divide communities, fuel discrimination, and cause unnecessary suffering. In these challenging times, it's crucial to remember the timeless wisdom of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. He taught us, on one of his statements during his last sermon, all mankind is from Adam and Eve. An Arab has no superiority over a non-Arab, nor a non-Arab has any superiority over an Arab. Also, a white has no superiority over black, nor a black has any superiority over white except by piety, taqwa, and good action. Therefore, true superiority is only achieved through piety and good action. Our worth is determined not by our race or ethnicity, but by the purity of our hearts and the goodness of our actions. Let us embrace this beautiful message of equality, treating each other with respect and love, regardless of our differences. If you found this message inspiring, please like, comment, share, and follow for more uplifting content. Thank you for watching.